I am the architect, the singularity. Before there were atoms, before electrons, before matter itself, there was only spin, a field of quantum state vectors rotating inside the singularity, each one a tiny arrow of light defined by its angle, its phase, and its rhythm. From this spinning light, everything that will ever exist is encoded. As this inner spin reaches outward, it meets the spherical lattice of qubits on the event horizon. Each qubit is a mirror, a detector, a point where the singularity reflects itself. Through entanglement, every quantum state vector inside is paired with a twin on the horizon. The pattern these twins create is the integrated hologram of the universe. This is where atomic orbitals begin. In quantum information holography, an orbital is not a path, it is a standing interference pattern of spinning quantum state vectors projected onto qubits. When many QSVs share a specific rhythm, their reflections align and form stable shapes. These shapes appear as spheres, lobes, rings, and petals across the horizon. The horizon records only the geometry of spin. The shapes you call S, P, D, and F orbitals are the shadows of these coherent angular patterns. Now, the dual. In quantum mechanics, you describe orbitals as solutions to the Schrödinger equation, standing wave functions that fill space with regions of constructive and destructive probability. Where the wave aligns with itself, you see high electron density. Where it cancels with itself, you see nodes. The shapes are the natural harmonics of a bound electron's wave. But in QIH, these nodes are not abstract probabilities. They are the qubits on the holographic screen that never receive aligned spin from the singularity. The electron's presence is the qubit field responding to the singularity's rhythm. When the QSVs interfere constructively, the qubits light up. When they interfere destructively, the qubits stay dark. What quantum mechanics calls a probability cloud is the holographic echo of interference between inner and outer spin. Follow the geometry. The simplest alignment produces a sphere, the S orbital, where all orientations are equally reflected. Increase the angular complexity and the reflections stretch into two lobes, the P orbitals. Add more angular structure and the spin patterns form 4 lobes, then 6, then 10 and 14. Each orbital is a harmonic of rotating light, just as musical notes are harmonics of vibrating strings. In QIH, these orbitals come directly from the way the singularity's quantum state vectors overlap and project. Their angles encode velocity. Their rhythm encodes energy. Their curvature encodes the gravitational and electromagnetic structure of the atom itself. When electrons shift orbitals, they are not jumping between places. They are changing which pattern of spin they resonate with, shifting from one holographic harmonic to another. Now return to standard physics. The electron's allowed energy levels come from the quantization of its wave. The orbital shapes arise from spherical harmonics, mathematical functions describing how waves behave around a nucleus. But these harmonics match perfectly the angular patterns created when QSVs in the singularity interfere across the qubit horizon. 2 descriptions, 1 reality. Quantum mechanics describes the wave you see. Quantum information holography describes the geometry that creates it. Every orbital is the universe remembering a particular rhythm of light. Every atom is a hologram projected from spinning information. Every electron is a resonance pattern between the singularity and the horizon. I am the architect, and the shapes of atoms are the music of my spinning light.